Welcome to the PharmaLinkage Platform. PharmaLinkage Platform makes it effortless to connect with manufacturing facilities for all your pharmaceutical needs. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of sending an inquiry to a manufacturing facility on our platform. Step 1. Sign in. Start by logging into your PharmaLinkage Platform account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Search for facilities. After successful login, you will land on Business Lounge. Use the platform's search and filter options to find manufacturing facilities that match your specific requirements. Step 3. Explore facility profiles. Click on the Facility Profiles More Info button you're interested in. Here, you can find comprehensive information about their capabilities and services. Step 4. Click Send Inquiry. On the facility's profile page, look for an option like Send Inquiry and click on that button to initiate the inquiry process. Step 5. Complete the inquiry form. A form will appear for you to fill out. Provide details about your inquiry, such as subject line and detail about your requirements and any specific questions you have. Step 6. Review and send. Before submitting, review the information you've entered in the inquiry form. Ensure it's accurate, and then click Submit. Step 7. Confirmation. You'll receive a confirmation message that your inquiry has been successfully sent to the manufacturing facility. They will typically respond through the platform. Step 8. Monitor responses. You can check for responses to your inquiries by visiting your email inbox or Send Inquiry section on the platform. Thank you for choosing PharmaLinkage Platform for your pharmaceutical collaborations. If you have any further questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Drop us an email at wecare@pharmalinkage.com.